Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today's extra bite behind the scenes episode is honestly a check-in. I want to check in with you guys. How are you doing? I have been fortunate enough and lucky enough I already put out over 100 videos since I started this channel, and I've reached about 5,000 subscribers. So thank you for each and every one of you that have been subscribing. Now we just got those views. Like y'all keep watching, keep watching. But I want to see how you're doing. Also wanted to touch base about what do you want this Saturday vibe to be. I still haven't really figured this video out yet, honestly. And I kind of just been throwing stuff to the wall and like seeing what sticks. So I want to be honest with my viewers. And this might be one of those things where, which is also okay to pivot. Like I understand what pivoting means. And when I first started the channel, I was like, I want to not overflow you guys, but I knew I wanted to do the Monday video or one video where I'm cooking a recipe because that ties in with my podcast. And my podcast, originally I was talking about recipes and doing a podcast, but I wanted to be more visual. So I wanted that to be the staple. And then I wanted Wednesday to be not behind the scenes. I wanted Wednesday to be the tips or tricks, or one day to be tips and tricks, because I feel like I get so many questions and I just wanted to plug those in one simple video. And then the podcast was a no-brainer because this is all possible for me because of my podcast. So those three were locked in. I only started doing the Saturday video kind of as a fluke, just like getting behind the scenes, getting to know me better. But then I was just like, do you need to know me better? Are you okay? Like, so the thing I'm asking is, are there some topics you want to know about? I work on cruise ships, and I feel like that's a very unique niche thing. So I can talk about cruise ships. I can talk about cruise ship experiences every week on this process. I can talk about traveling, but I think I do need to figure out like what to talk about right now because I don't want to just give you random stuff. You come back on one Saturday and it's this, one Saturday is that. So that's the goal for going forward for the next month or so. I'm gonna figure that out based on what you tell me. So please comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. Let me know because this is all what you want to see. Or in the pivoting side of things, we might pivot out of a Saturday video and then just elongate what we've been doing and just like have the weekend free. Or you have no me on the weekend, which might be good. I don't know. But it's just I was thinking about it and I was just thinking instead of me just keep throwing stuff to the wall, seeing what sticks, I want to ask the people. And you're the people. So you're my people. So if you watch, listen, subscribe especially, tell me what would you like to see on Saturdays if you would like to see a Saturday video. Maybe the 3 that I put out each week is more than enough. So maybe this is like oversaturation. So you let me know and I will adjust. Take your words into consideration and adjust. But yeah, this is like part of the process as an entrepreneur. I think it's very important to understand that pivoting is something that happens. If you never pivoted before, I think COVID kind of was the great equalizer of what pivoting meant to a lot of us. So yeah, I am I'm willing to accept, you know, what you guys want because I don't want to keep just putting stuff out if you don't want to actually watch it. So you let me know what you want to see on Saturdays. What is a behind the scenes extra bite in your opinion? Is it my ship content? Is it traveling content? Is it more about me? Probably not about me. Is it like what is it that you would like to see if you would like to see stuff going forward? And yeah, I want to figure it out with you. So that was it. I'm just checking in on you guys. I do want to say thank you very much. I don't want to ever downplay how appreciative I am of every like, every subscription, and every view because you are taking time out of your day to watch content that I'm putting out. And honestly speaking, I know now in 2026, content creation has become like such that's a buzz phrase, but it does take so much to put into making content, especially content that is original, content that I'm not dependent on other people to engage with you guys. So, and I'm doing it on a ship. I mean, no, not being funny. Like I'm filming this on my ship today. I just got off work. I just got through teaching a class. I'm filming this. You're gonna see it um like you're gonna literally see it tomorrow. I'm filming it a day before you see it, like real time. So content creation does take time and effort, dedication, So I never downplay that, but I never downplay the other side of it, which is you. You are the consumers. So you're consuming it. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Other than that, guys, have a great weekend. Go into Monday feeling rejuvenated, and I will see you next week. Peace.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.